Hi children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you the lesson Sacha Dost from the 7th grade state board textbook. Okay, children, see, look at this picture. What you can see, you can think and you can say. Okay children, what you can see in this picture, you can think and say. So here is the question. चित्र में क्या क्या दिखाई दे रहे हैं? What all you can see in the picture? Answer. Here is a big mango tree. We can see, and a boy is hugging it, and the mango tree is very happy because it can give fruits to the kids, and even these children also to have a mangoes, they are very happy. And on the tree a bird made a nest, and birds are here, and one bird is flying, and here is this boy having jula. Jula means swing. Okay, he is swinging, and this boy is happily relaxing under the shade of the mango tree. And here many small flowering plants are there, flowers are there, rabbit is also there, cow, and cow is eating grass. Okay, all these are enjoying. Kids and animals are, and birds also living with tree very happily. It is the meaning. See, this tree is real friend for everyone, isn't it children? Now let us go to the second question. पेड़ के बारे में कुछ वाक्य बोलो. And see, they are asking, we have to say some sentences about the mango tree. Okay, mango tree, in its shade, it can give shade to both children and also as well as animals, and it can give shelter to birds, and children can play, and it is giving fruits also. It can give fruits also. Many ways it is useful to kids, animals and birds also, isn't it children? Next question. वे आपस में क्या बातें कर रहे हैं? Yeah, see, here is the question, third one. Each other what they are talking. This boy is saying, I am relaxing here under this mango tree shade. I am enjoying this. And this boy is saying, I love this mango tree, and hugging it. And this mango tree is calling kids, and it is asking kids to take the fruits. And this boy is enjoying swing. And he is saying, yeah, I am enjoying swing just because of this tree. Okay children, now let us start the lesson. See, now we are talking about a real friend. In this lesson, a real friend is a mango tree. A real friend is a friend tree. Okay, here one tree and one boy, and how they spend their time each other, and how is their relationship, that you are going to know children. Okay, एक पेड़ था, उसका एक दोस्त था. One tree is there and it has one friend. उसका नाम अमर था. The tree's friend's name is अमर. दोनों आपस में बहुत प्यार करते थे. Both of them each other used to love a lot. हर रोज अमर पेड़ के पास जाता था. Every day अमर used to go to tree. उसके फल खाता था. He used to eat fruits. उसके पत्ते इकट्ठा करता था. He used to collect that tree leaves. इन पत्तों की माला बनाता था. used to make with that leaves garland. पेड़ के तने पर चढ़ता था. Used to climb the तने means the trunk. Used to climb the trunk. दोनों आपस में आंख मिचौनी खेलते थे. Tree and child each other used to play hide and seek game. जब वह थक जाता तो पेड़ की छाया में सो जाता था. Whenever he used to get tired, he used to take rest under the shadow of the tree. इस तरह दोनों बहुत खुश थे. In this way, both of them, they were very happy. समय बीतता गया. Time passed. अमर बड़े हो गया. Years passed. The small child grown up and he became big boy. और नौकरी की तलाश में शहर जाना चाहता था. He completed his schooling and college. Now he is going to search job. To search job he is going to town. शहर means town or city. उसके गांव में और शहर के बीच में नदी थी. And from his village to go to town, on the way he had to cross the river. There is a river. उसने सोचा नदी को कैसे पार करूं. सोचते हुए he thought, how can I cross the river? While he was thinking that, पेड़ के पास गया. He went to tree. पेड़ को अपनी समस्या बताई. He told his problem to a tree. पेड़ ने कहा. The tree told, मेरी शाखाएं काटो, नाव बना लो. The tree told, you cut my branches and make one boat so that you can cross the river. अमर ने वैसा ही किया. He cut down some branches of the tree and he made one boat. He used that boat to cross the river. अमर शहर चला गया. He went to city. वहाँ खूब पैसा कमाया. He earned a lot in town. गांव लौटा. Some years after he earned a lot and he thought stop earning. He thought to go back to his village. So he came back. गांव लौटने के कुछ दिन पहले उसके गांव में तूफान आया था. Before he reaches to his village, flood happened. That due to the cyclone. अमर का घर टूट गया. Amar's whatever he has his house, it became old. So due to the cyclone, his house got destroyed. वह पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. He went to the tree. He went to his old friend, that tree. Okay. पेड़ ने कहा, मेरा तना काटकर अपना घर बनाओ. Now the tree felt very unhappy because his friend doesn't have house. So now tree told to him, you can cut my trunk and you can make a house for you. अमर ने वैसा ही किया. Then Amar did the same what the tree told. See friends, the tree is sacrificing for the child every moment. What this child is doing, and now he is not remain child. He became a person and he earned a lot. Then also he is not giving anything. All the time he is taking from him, from the tree. बहुत समय बीत गया. Many years passed away. अब अमर बूढ़ा हो गया. Now the small child became old man now. After many years, वह सर्दी में कांपते हुए पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. He was feeling cold and While shivering, he reached the tree. पेड़ ने कहा, मेरी सूखी लकड़ियाँ जलाकर अपनी सर्दी भगाओ. And now the tree told, you can cut down my dried sticks. You can put it them on fire, and you can have that. You can take heat from it. अमर ने वैसा ही किया. And that old man did the same. अमर. इस तरह पेड़ ने अपनी सच्ची दोस्ती निभाई. This way the tree showed its truly friendship. Truly friendship in the sense, each and every moment we have to help our friends. This is the tree proved it is a real friend of Amar. This is how it helped Amar in many ways every time. अपना सब कुछ दान कर दिया. Everything sacrificed for Amar. अपने सच्चे दोस्त को खोकर अमर बड़ा दुखी हुआ. Now the tree is not there at all. Why? Because the Amar only used it tree in many ways. Now tree is not there. He lost his real friend, and now Amar is very unhappy. उसने पेड़ लगाने का निर्णय लिया. So he wanted to have one more real friend, and he again planted one more tree. Children, from this lesson, what moral you have to learn? See, children, we have to plant plants. They will give us in every moment whatever we need. Like how it was helping to Amar, the same way, if you plant any plant, that will grow, and as well as it will help you in every moment, in every way. Okay, friends, thank you. We will meet in next next class with the next lesson. Okay, bye. I think you enjoyed. Bye bye.